So volume equal to, we know that. So volume equal to L into V into H. So that is L into V into H given 275 centimeter cube. L into B. So L into B, base area. So this is considerable. So L into B is base area. So that given us 25 centimeter square into H equal to 275 here centimeter centimeter square. So H is equal to 275 centimeter cube divided by 25 centimeter square. So we can cancel by 5 table. So 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, remaining 2 5. So 5 5s are 1, sorry, 1 5s are 5, 11 5s are 25. So H is equal to 1 cube 2. So it's a centimeter. So H is equal to 11 centimeter. So we need to consider the base area as L into B, then volume L into B into H. So substitute this L into B in that volume. Then unknown data H only. Substitute and find the answer. Right. Next problem, example 9. A godown is in the form of a cuboid, 60 meter, 40 meter, 30 meter. How many cuboidal boxes can be stored in it? Volume, one box is 0.8 meter cube. So volume of godown is given equal to, given as 60 meter into 40 meter into 30 meter. Okay. Next, volume of box is given 0.8 meter cube. Now check the units, both are each meter, so no problem. Here why it's meter cube? Here the product answer is given directly. Right. The idea is already you know that. Suppose you want to fix any tiles in your floor. For that, how many tiles you need to put in the particular floor? So the idea, we need to find the total area of the floor and we need to find the one particular tile area. So how many tiles needed means total area, that is area of the floor divided by area of the one tile. We can get the number of such type of tiles. So we need to divide the areas. Similarly, we need to divide the volumes. That's all. So how many volume of box can be stored in the particular cuboid means we need to write as the division form. So that the actual question is now how many cuboidal boxes can be stored in the volume of the box. So number of boxes can be stored. So number of boxes can be stored in godown equal to, that is both volumes, volume of bigger one divided by volume of small one, that is 60 into 40 into 30 meter cube divided by 0.8 meter cube. Now it's divided by, it's in a decimal now, so we can cut this unit, we can cancel. So multiply by 10 in numerator and denominator. 60, 40, 30 divided by 0.8 as into 10 into 10. So 60 into 40 into 30 into 10 divided by 8 with multiply 10, 80. Here you have decimal, so point. So that's why 8. Now 1 8s are 8, 5 8s are 40. Now we need to multiply. So this one is 1800. This was 50. So finally 9000 be stored in the return. So here that idea, don't multiply the answer. Don't multiply 60, 40, 30 answer. Don't multiply directly 7 to like they don't write. Because sometimes they may be give that boxes dimension also as suppose 60 into 40 into 30. Boxes dimension 2 into 3 into 5. Like that they can give no at that time we can cut easily 1 by 1. So that's why don't multiply the dimensions LBH. Next problem. A rectangular paper with 14 centimeter. This is 14 centimeter. Okay. Is rolled along with and a cylindrical of radius given as 20 centimeter is formed. So another one also given. So radius 20 centimeter and this height 14 centimeter. This one is formed. Okay. Now find the volume of the cylinder. Volume test. This is the question. So directly we need to find the volume of cylindrical. And before that, just to get the idea. So this is our height. Now we are going to fold like that. We formed a cylindrical tank. Here we need to fill something. So that is we need to fold. So that is we need to find the volume. So for that, radius equal to 20 centimeter. Therefore R equal to 20. And the height equal to 14 centimeter. So H is equal to 14 centimeter. Now we need to find the volume. So volume of cylinder. Already we know that pi r squared into h. So pi value 22 divided by 7. So r value 20 squared into h 14. So 22 divided by 7 into 20 into 20 into 14. So 2 7s are 14. So 22 into 4 44. 2 2s are 4. So 400. We need to multiply this. 176. So 176 with the double zero. So here given centimeter. So centimeter. So this is the idea. Just directly R value and H value given. Find the answer. Next problem. A rectangular piece of paper 11 centimeter into 4 centimeter. Rectangle. Actual problem 11 centimeter into 4 centimeter. Is folded without overlapping to make a cylindrical of 4 centimeter. Without overlapping means without any extra. So directly edge to edge. So this is the paper, suppose dimension given 4 into 11. So this is 4, this is 11. Now it's folded along its height. No, height is 4 centimeters. Like that folded. Without overlapping means there is no extra piece like that. Edge to edge. There is no extra thing. Now this is the height. Now just think about this one is the height. So I am going to draw cylindrical. Now think about this is your height 4. Okay. Now think about this length. I am just over to cut this thing. Already we studied the formulas. Suppose I cut this thing. So this is a straight line. This straight line in a cylindrical form, this straight line is in the circle form. So this is the circle. We are going to cut somewhere. No, this is the cutting point. Suppose I am going to open this. So what happened? This length. This length is nothing but the circumference of the circle. This length, that is, I am going to cut now this over length. This length is given 11 centimeter. So this is the circumference. Now you can think about one is given height. So therefore, height equal to 4 centimeter and circumference. This length is it's from your rectangle. This length is in this rectangle. Here 4, here 11. So this length we formed as a circle. That is circle circumference. So circumference of a circle equal to 11 centimeter is given. Now we need to find the volume of this particular cylindrical form. So how to find that volume? By using height and the radius. Here height we know that, but how to find your radius? So this is the idea given, circumference. So therefore 2 pi r equal to 11 centimeter. Now we need to substitute 2 into pi value 22 divided by 7 into r equal to 11. R equal to 11 into 7 is in our denominator, the right side is numerator, divided by 2 into 22 its numerator, right side comes to denominator, 2 into 22. 2, that is right reciprocal. 2 comes to denominator, 22 divided by 7 is 7 by 22 reciprocal. Now we can cancel this. So 1 11s are 11, 2 11. So r equal to 7 by 2 2s are 4. So 7 by 4, don't find the decimal value, 7 by 4 centimeter. And the h value already given 4 centimeter. Using this we need to find the volume. So volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h equal to 22 divided by 7 into r square, 7 by 4 the whole square into 4. I am going to find the value of it. For that 22 divided by 7 into the whole square, no, so write 7 by 4 into 7 by 4 into h value 4. So cancel this, 7 7, 1 4 1 4. So remaining 22 into 7 divided by 4. So 22 into 7, 154 divided by 4. So just to cancel this, 3 4s are 12, remaining 3. 8 4s are 32, remaining 2. So put on decimal 0 5. So 38.5. It's everything centimeter, so centimeter. So here the idea, find radius by using circumference of the circle. The same way we are going to solve some 2 exercise problem. So exercise 11.4 first problem. Things are given. Give a cylindrical tank. That is given a cylindrical tank. We need to think about only cylinder. For that, in which situation will you find surface area and in which situation volume? So before going to solve this problem, we need to think about something we want to find that weight. Which one we need to hold? How many boxes can be stored in the cuboidal? Such type of thinking, no. So this is the volume form. Suppose a rectangular sheet we have, then holding this, we can make a cuboidal form. So we have used some papers. At that time we need to think about the surface area. So further to first question, to find how much it can hold. So that thing hold, how thing we can hold, how many things we can hold in the particular hand. That is volume. Second, number of cement blocks required to plaster it. Plaster it means we can plaster this board by using any paper. So we are going to plaster. So at that time we need to think about this area. This area is nothing but surface area. That's all. That is whitewashing. This is all surface area. Right? To find the number of smaller tanks that can be filled with water. Anyway, we are going to hold with water, no? So this is also another volume. So first one, third one is volume. Second one, surface area. Right. Now come to second problem. Problem given. Diameter of a cylinder A is 7 cm and the height 14 cm. E. Total length 7 and the height 14. And the second one, this length is given, that is diameter 14 and the height 7 is given. So the question is A, B. From this, which one is the bigger one? Check whether the cylinder with a greater volume, that is, without doing any calculation, can you suggest whose volume is greater? Right. Our thinking always, here 14.7, here also 14.7. So there is no changes. So the volume of A and B are equal. Like that we can think. But after checking the volume physically or just mathematically, we can realize the things which one is can hold greater volume or which one is the greater volume. Like that. So here we may think by the data they may be equal. So just think about the base. If a base increase means you can hold many things. This is a simple idea. Anyway, we can find that volume. So volume of cylinder. So volume of cylinder. We know that pi r square h. For this thing, r value, the diameter 7, so 7 by 2. And the height value 14 cm. So volume equal to just 22 divided by 7 into 7 by 2 the whole square into 14. So 22 divided by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 14. 7 we can cancel by 1 7 and the 2 7. So 11 into 7 into 7. Without finding this answer, just think about this thing. So now the same thing, here r equal to 14 by 2, that is 7 centimeter, and the height equal to 7 centimeter. Now volume equal to 22 divided by 7, r squared, 7 squared, height is 7. So 22 divided by 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. 7 we can cancel. So 22 into 7 into 7. Now think about 11 into 7 into 7. 22 into 7 into 7. This is the bigger one. So B is the bigger one. So anyway you can find that answer. 7 7s are 49 into 11. 539. Here 49 in 22. 1078. So B as a greater volume. So B is the greater. So before thinking by using the data they are equal, but after checking the value you may realize this is the, so the base, if you increase you can hold many things. So that is, this thing is greater than the this volume, like that. Next question. Third problem. Find the height of the cuboidal whose base area 180 cm and the volume is 900 cm. Find the height. The same thing. Height we need to find. Whose base area. So base area, that is L into B given. Like that, consider 180 centimeters square. And the volume is L into B into H is given 900 centimeter cube. Now the data units are equal, so the volume L into B into H, first one, second one, equal to 900 centimeter. Substitute L into B value. Already we discussed the same example problem. So L into B value 180. So 180 into H equal to 900 centimeter cube. So here 180 centimeter square. So H is equal to 900 divided by 180. Here centimeter cube, here centimeter square. So cancel this, so we can get 1 centimeter. So 0 we can cancel. 18. 1 18s are 18, 5 18s are 90. So H is equal to 5 centimeter. So this is the idea. So like that you may solve your problems. Up to this we need to work. Thank you.